Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to learn about Schema Builder in Salesforce. We'll cover what it is, why we use it, and how to create one step by step. Let's get started. What is Schema Builder? Schema Builder is a tool in Salesforce that helps you visualize and manage your data model. Imagine it like a map of your database, showing how different pieces of data relate to each other. Why do we use Schema Builder? We use Schema Builder because it makes designing and understanding data models much easier. Instead of looking at a bunch of tables and fields, you can see everything visually. For example, let's say you have a simple sales database with customers, orders, and products. Schema Builder lets you see how these objects connect at a glance. Example scenario. Imagine you own a small store. You have customers who place orders, and each order contains products. Schema Builder shows you these relationships clearly, helping you keep track of all the information. How to create a Schema Builder. Log into your Salesforce account. Click on the Setup icon in the top right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Schema Builder and select it. The Schema Builder interface will open. Here, you can see all your objects and relationships. To add a new object, click on the Element tab on the left, then drag and drop the object icon onto the canvas. Fill in the details for your new object, for our example employee object. Fill in the name and label. Check all the necessary fields. Click Save when you're done. To add fields to your object, click on Field in the Schema Builder. Then drag and drop the desired field, in our case text field, onto the object. Fill in the required details for the field and click Save. To create relationships between objects, click on the Relationship tab. Drag the appropriate relationship type, like Lookup Relationship in our example, onto your object. Fill in the label, select the object it is related to, for our example payment, and click Save. And that's it. You've created your data model using Schema Builder. You can see all your objects, fields, and relationships in one place, making it easy to understand and manage your data. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Salesforce tutorials. This is Naveen signing off.